Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. It's raining out there, but I am here to create this content. Nothing is stopping us, okay? Today's video is actually a much requested video. I'll be making hot caramel lotion. If your skin is dark and you want it glowing and shimmering, you want it shining, you want to look hotter than you are, this lotion is for you. Please stay with me. Let's make this video together. In your mixing bowl, I'll be using this. This is 72 hours. I'll be using a whole bottle of it. It's a very thick lotion. Very effective and will give you your desired results. Then I'll be using Irish Gold. I'm using the egg yolk extract. There are two types of Irish Gold, but for this recipe I'm using the one with egg yolk extract. I'm also using a whole bottle of it. Then I'll be using New Light lemon cream, not New Light Zaban. I'm using the New Light lemon cream, and I'll be bringing out everything in this tube. Just sir. Also, I'll be adding Miracle Gem too, and I'll be using everything in it. I'll be adding my Giga White powder, but I'm going to be mixing it. I want to turn it to a solution, and I'll be using my PG, propylene glycol, to get that effect. I have 2 teaspoons of my Giga White powder. I want to turn it into a solution before I incorporate into my lotion. So when I finish, I'll just set it aside while I go ahead with other measurements. The next thing I'm adding is my almond oil. Almond oil is a carrier oil, is an exfoliant, and is a humectant and very good on the skin. So I go in with it, 2 tablespoons of my almond oil. And the next is my lavender essential oil. I just need about 3 drops of it. And the next is my tea tree essential oil. I go in with 3 drops of it. Going in next is Shalom Stretch Max oil. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my Shalom. This will help prevent any skin issue and stretch marks from the body. And the last but not the least is my Giga White solution. Remember I told you I melted it with propylene glycol. Propylene glycol also helps in having your lotion permeate more into the skin and making it work more effectively. So I go in with that. And with your spatula, you turn to get a more perfect mix. I would have used a hand mixer, but there is no light here. So I'm mixing. Once you get a perfect mix, that's it. Store in a tight container and use at night only, and watch your skin transform. Okay guys, that's it. Watch your skin transform as you use this lotion. Don't forget to like this video, share, and please subscribe. Help your girl. Let's grow together. Till next time, I still remain yours, Skin Illustrations. Have a beautiful day.